Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make chicken gravy. Let's start the recipe. Now I am heating the pan and add 4 red chilies and some cashew nuts. Roast it well until its color changes. I am changing into the mixer jar. First, I grind it like this and add 2 chopped tomatoes. Grind it finely. Now I am heating the pan and add some oil. Once heat the oil, add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic. Stir it well until its color changes. Now I am adding 2 chopped onions. Stir it well until its color changes into golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well and add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of water. Add pepper white salt. I am adding boneless chicken into the pan. Mix it well. Now I am adding grinded paste and add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, chicken is well cooked. Add some chopped corianders. Mix it well. Now the chicken gravy is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.